Hey guys, this video is about your crash bars and where your tires rub and how to fix the problem. For you guys that want to run the wider tires like myself. Mine, the tire size that I ran, I just have the stocks on there. It's November, but I just thought I'd show you. I had a comment. Somebody wanted to know what I had done so that I didn't have any rub issues or all that stuff when you put on wider tires. The tire size I have that I run in the summertime is a 285/60 R20, and the actual tire size that comes on these trucks is a 275/55 R20. So they're like a 31-inch tire, and mine are being the 285/60 R20s. They are around 33.2. And if you wanted the aggressive look, I have a 2-inch leveling kit, and mine did rub right there when you turn on the front, and I mean just touch. Like, you have to hit a bump going into a parking lot, and then it'll barely they just touch right there and right there. So to me it's not a big deal. But if you wanted no rubbing and you wanted your tires, that a little bit aggressive look, like mine are 20/10 fuel wheels with a -19 offset, and they stick out a good 1/2 inch to 1 inch, and I'm really happy with the way it looks. You can check out my other video. I do a walk around of the truck to see what you think. But if you wanted no rubbing, the tire size to go with would be a 285/55 R20, and mine are BFG, and that tire measures out to a 32 point, I don't know, I'm not 100%, but it's like a 32.6 or a 32.4, somewhere in there. So it's just that little bit smaller, and you'll have no issues at all, and it'll look almost identical to the way that mine sits. In the summertime, you can just check that video out. I do a quick walk around. I think it's maybe 2 minutes long. Anyways, back to our topic. I'm going to take this tire off and show you guys where to cut, what to look for, and if you don't want to cut, you can get a big sledgehammer, the biggest one you can find, or that you have. I have a bigger one than this that I used. Anyhow, take your front tire off before you go and get your tires and wheels. 13/16 is the size you need. Take your tire off, and I'll show you where to cut these crash bars, or where to just bend them forward so that you don't get this rubbing. Okay, here we go. I got the tire off. Now I'll show you guys. All I did was take this hammer, and it's hard to do with one hand. Give that a tap and bent that forward, bent that one back. It does touch right here. There's nothing in behind there. I'll go through what's behind both of these on both sides. This is the driver's side, back crash bar. So there is a piece of plastic, a wire right there. I didn't want to cut mine, so I just tried smashing it back with a hammer, and it was perfectly fine. Again, I'm running a 20/10 fuel wheel with a -18, and negative means it moves the tire out, positive goes in. If you wanted to check that video out, see what it looked like, That was the driver's side. There's nothing in the front. This is the passenger side back. Nothing under there. There's a wire up there. It's quite a ways away. If you're going to cut these, there is room. You're not going to hit anything. Cut it right there. Cut that one right there. Grab a Sawzall with a metal blade on it. Like that. It's a fine blade. Cut them off. Again, I didn't want to get rid of mine, so I just used a big old sledgehammer, smashed them. If my videos help you, I do these because I can't afford to take my truck to a shop, so I just think of ways to do it myself or what I want to do, and figured I may as well make videos to help other people. Hopefully they help. One of my next projects is going to be a boat. I'm installing a set of 8-inch speakers in it. Got the kickers, and I'm going to show you which blades to use, what doesn't work, what works, because I have installed speakers in the past. Cutting this fiberglass isn't easy. Again, subscribe, like, so I know whether or not I'm helping anybody keep doing these videos. Thanks.